Welcome back, guys. So let's do the daily review. I remember I haven't done the daily review past 3 days because I was so busy in a non money making things, which means time pass. Fucking time pass, which I regret a lot after we done that. So week 1 of the May month is coming to end. It actually came to end. We have to mark the tick mark over here. It has came to end. So I need to update this all. Okay, so we were on this lecture 6th is ongoing, or lecture 7 is ongoing. Lecture 6 is ongoing, and we are on to this. That's it. So let's do a daily review of this table database. No, database in line. The database of daily review table sorted with the when it was scheduled, done. So it is 19, it is 20. Let's just a second. Yesterday's. Let's do a daily review of yesterday. And yesterday, day after yesterday, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 4 days we haven't done the daily review, so sucks. Lecture 5, 6, 6 lecture, 7, 8, and today is today's 9, 8, and 9. We're gonna have to finish 1, 2, 3, 3 lectures in one day. It is it is impossible, brother. For one lecture, we are having the 3 hours because I'm just not doing the lecture for doing the lectures. I'm just not binge watch the lecture. I'm doing the lecture by doing my own analysis, which takes 1 hour. Then I'm doing my own trading on that particular analysis that takes 1 hour. Then I'm hopping to the lecture and then seeing his analysis and his trades. Is that trades is getting matched with my trades? That actually taking 1 hour, and 1 hour for buffer. It's actually taking 4 hours, summing up. And after coming from the job, I pretty much have like 5 hours, 5 6 hours technically. If we talk about after removing all of the timings, sucks. I'm just going slow. It's not even halfway. No. Lecture 6 is ongoing, brother. So let's do a daily review of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 7, 8, 9 actually 3 days. No, 10 as well because today is 11. So we are doing the 7, 8, 9, 10. I will just talk about this. I will not type it. Daily review of 7. Daily review of oh shit. It is what? Holy shit. This got hang or what? Yeah. Daily review of 7, 8, 9, 10. What I done for 4 days. 4 days fucking nothing, fucking time pass. I have tried to do my work, do the trading study, but it wasn't able to do. Mom was taking me somewhere else. My only mistake. I
It's
gone with
18
her,
hours.
but there was no option rather than going with her. We gone for shopping for her birthday. Then the second day was her birthday was there. Then third third day was something. Third day was something I just won't be able to remember. And the fourth day was the oh yeah, third day was the wedding. Yes, exactly. Third day was the wedding, and the fourth day I haven't done the daily review. Yesterday is that is the 10th of May because I took the holiday to finish the lectures, and if I just invest time in the daily review, then I won't be able to achieve that part. So this is how it looks like. Signing off, brother. This is a full daily review of the whole 4 days. We're falling behind, brother. We're falling behind, but I will try to cope this up. It is so much distractions, brother. I mean, if I'm planning the schedules, it must be happen to the point of the perfection. It is not even happening. Something is coming in middle. My schedule is getting disturbed. I'm getting delayed, but then my schedule is so properly, like scheduled that if I just follow every single day, and I can be on track. And if I just miss one day, the whole future schedule got full messed up. because I won't be able to cope up that missed day. If I just be behind one day, then all the schedule I will be always be behind one day. It is very dangerous to be fall back. So it's very, if I fall back, it's very hard to come back again. So I'm trying my best to do it. Let's do it. Signing off. Let's do a trading study. Piece of shit. Signing off. Peace.